Hi, this is Riley Dare with Denver Urban Gardens, and as it's time to get ready to seed start, I'm here to show you how to seed start with everyday household objects that you have around your house. So, taking old toilet paper rolls or old paper towel rolls and cutting them to about this size, you can then make a seed starting pot by cutting about 1/2 inch on all 4 sides. And then you fold over these tabs just so they're nice and malleable. And then you're going to fold down your tabs clockwise over each other. And the last one you'll tuck in there. Make sure it's nice and flat. And then we'll fill it with our all-natural soilless seed starting mix. And you're gonna put 2 or 3 seeds inside of each little pot. And we'll tuck them in just a little bit under the soil there. You can read the back of your seed packet to see the suggested depth. And then, using this old strawberry container, we'll set our seed starting pots in there. And then we have a perfect little greenhouse that will help our seeds germinate quicker.